Hey guys, welcome back. I'm doing a designer makeup series. I've done it before on my Instagram and you guys loved it. I have so many ideas for this series and I hope you guys enjoy it. I've always loved creative makeup, but I feel like there wasn't much interest in it on YouTube, whereas recently I've been seeing more and more people do creative looks and it's just something that I think is so fun. So anyway, I'm gonna shut up and just start. Disney headband has to go on as always. You can't be swag without your Disney headband. I hate how the tag sticks out. Why? I'm just priming with my Too Faced Hangover primer. I'm going to do my eyes first though, but I'll just let this sink in. Actually, I should probably like moisturize just in general, but oh well. I have a Clarins moisturizer here, so I'm just going to mix that in because my skin is so dry. I just got back from driving for 3 hours from Palmy, but I actually went to the Mount for the weekend with Shan, saw her new beach house. We put together so much furniture. On my page I already did a Gucci look. I'll like put them on screen so you can see properly, but I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm going to see if there's any nice colors in this palette here. It's the new one by Mellow Cosmetics. Those are the shades there. I feel like some of these warmer browns might be quite pretty, or that one. I just want a transition shade really. That's the shade Nudie. I'm going to take that with a crease brush. This is a nice color, definitely. It's very blendable. I'm going to try the shade Dust, which is that one right there. I'm just going to do my eyebrows now to get it out of the way. I'm using an actual eyeliner as my eyebrow pencil at the moment, but it's just a really good color. I feel like my eyebrows are so much cooler than my hair. So this is actually one of the Slim Cream eyeliners from Jouer. I just feel like it makes the overall tone of them a lot better. Leave me a comment below if you remember my giant eyebrow comb. Only the OGs will remember. That looks so much better though, doesn't it? Than this eyebrow. Don't lie to me. Benefit, what is this even called? Ready Set Brow? I was gonna say Gimme Brow. It's not a fibrous one, which I like because I've got thick hair, thick eyelashes, thick eyebrows, like just everything. So I don't need fibers. This one's just so good. It's like a small brush and it's good. Try it. I feel like everybody would like this, surely. Alright, this is the Born This Way concealer and those little nipple brush things that Shannon made. Probably a bad time to try it, but ooh, no, I actually like the nipple. I feel like I can get right into the inner corner. For memory, I used these two eyeliners from NYX. I feel like I want to make the wing thicker than last time as well, so it's like even more dramatic. I almost want to make the red a little bit thicker than the green because my lashes might cover some of the red, if that makes sense. Oh no, I got a blub. It's alright, we can fix this. I don't even know how that happened. It must have like rebounded off my eyelash or something. Oh, I guess it doesn't matter. I just put the green over it. Yay, it turned out good. Okay, I have so much more that I want to add, but I'm just going to do my base products now so I can like lay everything on top of it. For foundation, I'm going to try the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. This is a new one that I've just recently purchased, so I don't know if I got the right color and if I'm going to like it, but we'll see. Yay, I bought the perfect colour. Going to do some light contouring. This is the medium KKW Beauty contour kit, but I mainly obviously want to keep the focus on the eyes and the lips. I'm so excited. I'm kind of bummed because my camera battery is low, which I don't know how that happened. Like, how long have we been here? Oh my gosh, I forgot how pigmented this is. I'm not even going to do under eye concealer or anything because that foundation is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this has so much powder fallout. What the heck? The lighting's kind of turned to shit, which is annoying. These lashes are the Illusion by XO Beauty. This is the packaging. If you haven't seen the... Oh, I just got a text. The Foam Mink Lashes packaging. It's so like bougie. Nice little ribbon and everything. Matte green by Jouer. I'm going to use this under my eyes because I want to do like green smoky under eyes. I feel like will look quite cool. Just gonna put that in my waterline. From Chloe's, oh my gosh, stop texting me. Next, from Chloe's palette, I'm going to take this deep green eyeshadow here. It's called Beauty, I believe. So perfect. It's like the perfect green for this look. So thanks, Chloe. Actually, You know what? Now that I look at that in the light, that's like dark grey, that's not green. God damn it. Let me check my collection again. I might have to mix a couple, I think. Maybe that and like a green. Never mind, scratch that. So we have the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. Actually, I feel like this one's a better tone, so I might take this one here. I feel like that looks better. I just mixed in some of this colour here as well. I have this brownie shimmery eyeliner from Lancome, so I'm going to try and do the like GG symbol, I think, but I'll use a brush because the applicator on this is not very good. Just like Gucci vomit on my face right now. For lips, I want to do like a stripe down the middle, I've decided. I feel like that will look really cute. I'm using the Mellow Cosmetics lip liner because this one is so vivid. These are really creamy and good. I've stopped though because I think I'll do the white stripe first because then I will know where to go. If that makes sense, I might start with pencil. Pretty good mapping out actually, if I say so myself. Gotta be careful when I talk. This is the red room. I just restart. Can't talk. I don't want to smudge it because I want to take an Insta photo. I'm just going to take Mimosa Sunrise by Fenty Beauty. This is a Kilowatt highlight duos. They're so pigmented. So this is what I came up with for Gucci. Let me know what brand I should do next, and please do tag me if you recreate this, because last time I got heaps of you guys tagging me when I put up just the eye makeup photo without the tears, you know, just like the eyeliner and everything. I love how this turned out. I feel like this could have been a little bit better. Like I should have done it with a deeper color and not tried to do brown. I see a lot of like Gucci snake makeup, so I wanted to do something a little bit different. But not gonna lie, I kind of want to try that as well. I feel like that would be amazing. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications, and I will talk to you guys again very soon for my next video. Bye!